Hey guys, I know it's been a while since I've done anything, so here's what it is. Did not see Game of Thrones this past Sunday, which everybody was talking about, so I'm watching Season 3, Episode 9. I'm up to the point where everybody's talking about. So, what it is this is my actual reaction to the Red Wedding everybody's talking about. It's unedited. This is uncut. So I'm up to the point. So this is me watching the Red Wedding. So here it is. My actual reaction. And if you don't know what it is, then if you haven't watched Game of Thrones, then I don't watch this. But if you haven't and you don't care, just continue.
The better is only the truth that all the way becomes connected
But there are other ways.
Oh, you go.
That was a boy. I thought we should make it.
Oh, do you? It seems to me the father should also say his son's name.
Eddard. And you wanted him to do that so have the right horse.
Why does that song sound familiar? Well, that doesn't look happy. Again, I have not seen it yet. This is uncut. This is the last 10 minutes of this past week's episode. Next week's the season finale, so.
Where are you going? Got salt for the feast. The feast is over. Doesn't sound like it's over. If I tell you it's over, it's over. Turn this cart around and get the hell out of here. The pastry too. Are you soft in here? Turn this cart around. Your Grace. I feel I've been remiss in my duties. I've given you meat, wine, music, but I haven't shown you the hospitality you deserve. My king is married, and I owe my new queen a wedding gift.
Oh my! What?
Are you ready to help the winter, right? Please don't Aye. It's over.
Man.
It's too late.
Oh my God. Oh my God! Oh God! He I can't believe he stabbed a pregnant woman in the. Oh my God! That's just messed up. Wow.
King in the north arises.
Lord Walter! Lord Walter, enough! Let it end! Please! He is my son! My first son! Let him go, and I swear we will forget this! I swear it by your God and you! We will take no vengeance!
You already swore me one oath right here in my castle.
Gwen, forget
Swore by all the gods your son would marry my daughter!
Take me for a hostage! But let Rob go! Rob, get out! Get up and walk out! Please! Please!
And why would I let him do that?
On my honor as a Tully, on my honor as a Stark, let him go, or I will cut your wife's throat.
I'll find another.
What a
Move.
Find another?
America.
Oh shit! The Lannisters? This is more brutal than the Hunger Games. This is more brutal than yeah. Slice her throat. You take my son, I kill your wife. She's already been shot like a couple times with the arrow. Oh, get her throat. Oh man, the Lannisters. Oh shit, Lannisters, you guys are literally every which way to Sunday. Oh my God. Either the Starks need to get their allies because Winterfell was already sacked at the end of season 2, and they need to get their allies together to go to King's Landing and take out the Lannisters. Joffrey definitely needs to die. I would have kicked Joffrey's ass. I do. He reminds me so much of Draco Malfoy from the Harry Potter series. He's a little prick who he's such a bully. He's like, yeah, what do you do? And then when it comes to he's all talk, but when it comes to action, he's like, ah! He's a what? I won't use the term. I think you get it. But he's a down there in a female body part. Or Khaleesi or needs to come with her dragons and just, you know, do like a Skyrim dragon call and storm call or something. Just have the dragons just burn up King's Landing and just take back the Iron Throne or something, because the Lannisters are gonna get nailed. They're gonna get their ass handed to them for this. Oh man, that's like what the Lannisters did to the Starks is kind of like what, you know, that's like the Japanese bombing. I can't really compare it. Let's think about it with the Japanese bomb Pearl Harbor. You just pissed off the sleeping giant, and that's what's going to happen is they're going to get their allies together, and they're just going to take over King's Landing, and they're just going to sack King's Landing. And I really want Khaleesi to just come and just take her 3 dragons and just burn the hell out of King's Landing. That indeed how. If you saw the Red Wedding, let me know what you think. Comment below. Let me know. And I know I got that from Jeremy Johns, but I like that. Just comment below. Let me know what you thought of the Red Wedding. This is like the most messed up thing I've ever. I mean, it's on HBO, so I can get away with it. But oh my, this is like the most shocking thing I've ever seen on TV. I mean, this is gonna go down as like one of the most shocking moments in the history of television. It has to be. I know people who've read the books; they know what happens. But I think it's different when you're reading the books. I've never read the songs of Fire and Ice. I mean, those books are like that thick, but I've never read them. So what I mean is, people who read the books, they knew what happened, but I think there's a difference between actually reading the books and actually visualizing what happened and actually seeing it on TV. It's a different reaction. We actually see it on TV. Wow. If this isn't the most shocking moment you've ever seen on TV, what is the most shocking moment you've ever seen on TV? Comment below. Let me know. Okay. I'll see you guys in the round. Okay. And Clay is